Oh, hi, how y'all doing? Oh my gosh! It's like, I wish I could explain it. It feels amazing. Oh, I just hope this works. I'm glad that it's like cut like this. You guys, I will put it in the description if you want to get it because this was like so not expensive. And I'm going slowly because look at that, y'all. You better stop playing with me. Watch, this whole house about to be just laminated.
Fill the room with the juice. That's a lot of loot.
Welcome back to the channel. I know this is a different setup. Let me know how you're feeling about it. I kind of like it. But look, so remember, I am redoing my room and I'm starting that process right now, guys. And let me just tell you, I'm overwhelmed. I am overwhelmed, and I must just say, kudos to all of the interior designers out there because, like, look, this is... It took me like 35 minutes just to cut up the Louis Vuitton cardboard things, and then I realized I didn't even do it right, and this took me so long to freaking cut. I'm tired, you guys. I'm tired. So I have this table here that I honestly don't know if I actually want to use as a side table in my room, but I had this idea that if I put a black, white, marble, vibey type whatever on top of it, that maybe it would look cute, and then I can spray paint the ends. Now, why am I using this table? This table was $5 at Five Below. That's why I'm using this table, okay? It don't get no more relatable than that. So, with that being said, I got my package. Whew. And I am scared. So I'm going to have you guys come with me on this journey. So I'm going to be changing out the covering, and this is an okay, it looks so pretty. This is a adhesive. So this is a adhesive. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, this is what it looks like. Pretty cute. I've never used these before. I've always seen people use them on like Pinterest and YouTube how-to videos, and they put them like on the counters or on the tiles and stuff, and I always just think, how? So I'm going to be doing this today. I was going to start filming on the second table just because, like, obviously I would like know how to do it first, but you know me, we gotta come real or not at all, so it's damn near a reaction, is it not? Okay, so look, I hope I can do this right. I'm going to actually like take my time here because this is not like how to first do this, do that. No, we got personality over here, so y'all really about to see me looking crazy. I really hope I can do this right. So it says that I need to measure it, and that I need to get, we give you 10 inches each row. 10 inches. Is that enough? Is that enough? Why did I immediately just think of you know what? Is that I don't think that's is that a lot? You know what? Let me stop. Let me just hope it's enough. It looks like it's enough. Maybe they meant 10 feet. Anyways, so it says measure the surface first, cut the shape, the size that you want. Okay. So I can just, okay, cool. I can like, oh, that almost hit my face. Lord, you see what I'm saying, y'all? Anyways, I can put it like right here and just trace it. Okay, this is exciting. I really hope it looks good. If it doesn't look good, I'm really gonna be looking dumb. I'm just post this for freaking entertainment at that point, because if it don't look good, I'm gonna be mad. And I don't have the spray paint anyway, so it's so like, oh my gosh! It's like, I wish I could explain it. It feels amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is my first little project, meaning like making something cheap look like luxury. I want to do books next, like the Chanel books and like Tom Ford. Like I saw a girl do that and I was like, ooh, sold, sis. Sold. So watch out for that video because I think I'm gonna go to the thrift store tomorrow and get that done. Okay, cool. It looks like it's gonna fit. I hope. Let me see here. Okay, yeah, I think it's gonna fit. Let me grab a pen. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, let me just circle around town. Circle around town. and you do this, and then, and this, 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 and then you get a butterfly. Yo, I really need to watch SpongeBob. I miss it. Even though it's like terrible, I miss it. Okay. So we got it measured. Oh, okay. This is $5. Like I said, it don't be holding that sturdy, so y'all can't be having. You got some kids. It's probably not the best table to buy. Okay. Anywho's. Okay. Lost my scissors. Hold his house up, looking for the rest. Finally found this one. So I just hope this works. I'm glad that it's like cut like this. You guys, I will put it in the description if you want to get it because this was like so not expensive. Okay, let me just go straight all the way. I'm kind of scared. See, this is why I wish I had a bigger freaking scissors. I don't know where my scissors are, and it's tripping me out. Like, I hate when I lose things in my house knowing no one really be over here, like, at all. I be by myself most of the time. I literally had lunch today by myself, and I was treated like complete crap. Why was I treated like complete crap? Because I didn't have any makeup on. Like, I am seriously gonna buy a GoPro, and I'm gonna do like a documentary, my life for a week with makeup on. And the females out there that know, y'all know this. You get treated differently when you have makeup on. Anyways, and then have 1 week where I don't have no makeup on, and I just have my little GoPro, and I'm just going around and just hitting. Swear to God, people really treat me like crap when I have no makeup on. And it's so scary. Like, it actually scares me. It makes me feel like I really shouldn't be out in these streets if like I'm not looking my absolute best. It was kind of crazy, and I was looking at them like, I come here all the time. I've actually been coming here longer than you've been working here, but it's fine. I'm still gonna tip you big. Let me just let you know, anytime I go somewhere and I feel like I'm being kind of like, oh, let's not treat her that great, because, you know, obviously she's not gonna tip us because she's black, right? I will purposely tip big so that when I walk out of there and I come back, they're gonna be like, oh,
Snap, like, this is the black girl that, you know, I kind of had thoughts for, but, you know, she doesn't know that, so it's fine. So, you know, now I can, you know.
I do that because really, why are you treating me like this? And then, let me tell you something. I said, let me tell you something while I cut this little circle. And then I'm eating my food, right? And I'm writing and drinking apple cider or whatever that thing was. And there's only one other black person in there. Now, the reason I say this is because when you're black, you notice when you're the only other black person. Probably the same with Hispanics, Indians, and everybody else, even white people. You probably notice when you're the only white person, correct? Correct. All right, so I noticed that there's only one other black person in there, and he had one of those voices kind of like Roberto Blake. If you know who that is, I'll insert a picture and I'll put his like channel so you guys can go hear his voice. But he sounded like that, and I immediately like looked, but not because he's black, but because like he sounded so much like Roberto. I was like, wow, that's weird, they have the same voice. Also, Roberto gave me a heart on one of his videos the other day. So I just was alert just because of his voice. Besides the point, this man comes out of nowhere and he's like, man, we really need to get these clean. But no one cleans them. That's what he says. He keeps saying, no one cleans these. And I'm just thinking in my head, like, you have two server, bartenders, whatever, right here, chilling, right? Not doing nothing, chilling. And what's happening? They're talking, they're not even working. That I had to tell them, you know, I had to interrupt them to even get service, you know what I mean? But again, I could see they're entitled, young, white, I don't even want to say rich. Maybe they just come from a family where, they just don't have manners. I don't freaking know why they were acting that way. I don't really care. Besides the point. Oh, this boy comes up, the black boy, and he's like, wait, what? And he's like, yeah. He's like, never get clean. And then he starts cleaning it, and like they're laughing while he's cleaning. Not laughing at him. Let me be very clear. He was also laughing, but because of how dirty it was, they were like, oh my God, I know, it's because seriously, no one cleans these, like, oh. And I'm just thinking in my head, like, I wonder if this man is gonna go to his house and realize, or maybe not even, maybe in another couple years, he'll be like, oh yeah, it's one of them weird moments that, I just don't talk about, like, why did I have to clean it, but somebody else that is higher than me but isn't even working or doing anything can't clean it. But again, whatever. Like, I'm just seeing all of this awkward tension, microaggression, hee hee, ha ha, TT, hoo, you pay me, so you my boss. Like, it was very like that, and it brought me back to so many moments in my life. Let me tell you, it did. And I said, let me not make a video about it. I'm just gonna throw it in one of these random videos and talk. Anywho, so it looks like I need to get like a what is it called? A card. Okay, like I need to get like a driver's license or credit card or something like that. Let's grab a card that I do not even use. Okay, so it looks like it's a little bigger than what it should be. It's definitely not even, but it's not terrible. It's not terrible. So I'm happy with it. Okay, so I'm gonna peel it off now. I'm actually super nervous because I'm not sure how is it supposed to peel off? Meaning I have really long, sharp nails right now, so it's gonna be harder for me to. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm kind of nervous. Like, how am I supposed to lay it on there? I'm scared. Okay, maybe if I just do it like this. Okay, hold up. This is just like y'all see me struggle. The life of a single black woman, I swear to God. Because look, I just had someone else like help me hold this down. This would be fire, but it's all right. It's all right. Okay, I think this is way too. It's not leveling. It's like, oh my God, I can't even believe how like beautiful this looks already. Insane. When I tell you I'm about to be a Five Below getting every single table. Every single table there ever was. Okay, look, first of all, I'm already getting happy. Okay, let me keep going and then I think what I'll try to do is like cut around the edges, because the edges right now is looking like, girl, you wish you leveled that right. I really do, actually, because it would look really good if I did, but honestly, it's fine. It is fine. You guys, I am shook at how good this looks. What? Wow, it looks really, really good. Like, what in God's name? You know what I want to do is start going to like thrift stores and like just repurposing stuff and making it look like I spent $500 on it. You know what I mean? Like, I really, really want to start doing that because that is so fun. I just love, as a Taurus, you guys know. When I find a deal, ooh, I'll be so happy. When I find a deal, when I figure something out that, like, you know, should have took so much more money, but it's like, I'd be so excited. I am just floored right now. Okay, so I'm clearly still getting the air bubbles out. And I'm going slowly because, look at that, y'all. You better stop playing with me. When I tell you, I can't. And to think that I've had this and just been like not knowing what to do with it, this looks so much better. I wonder if I can do it to my chairs. Watch, this whole house about to be just laminated. You could even call it laminated. I can't, you guys. I can't wait to show you guys the end result because this is amazing right now. The only thing is I really did cut it way too big. Like, I'm not really sure how I could have fixed that, but I can actually do, when I do the next one, I'll be able to, you know, watch myself. Wow, I can't even believe the difference. I'm actually shook. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me show y'all. I guess I'm gonna have to cut around the edges, but look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. What? Please stop playing with me. What? I have to color these like that sparkle black. It will look so good. Oh my God, let me sit on it. I know my big self. Okay, I know I can't do that. But look! Okay, guys, well, that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed. I will insert like, oh wait, we got a bubble already. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, baby. I don't know what you're doing. Let me get out of here. Anyway, I will insert some pictures to show you what it looks like before and after wise. And don't forget to like and subscribe because my whole room is gonna be different and you are not gonna wanna miss the look. The look, my dear, the look. Oh my goodness, I am so happy I bought this. I'm so happy I bought this. Bye guys. Percocet.